recorded for like a long time. Shut up. Huh? Okay, guys. I haven't recorded for a long time, and yeah, I'm back. So today I'm gonna do a challenge where I'm gonna drink this, or do you want me to drink Sprite? I'm drinking this, the whatever. I forgot to tell you, I'm drinking this without no burping. Here we go. Oh, I'm starting to feel it.